Aha! What light through yonder window breaks? Be gentle with me, Watson. Be gentle. Okay. Oh, it's not so bad. It's actually not so bad. There are people out there and they can see me, even with that net thingy over the window. You can still see in and see everything. So, not that there's anything to see. Good morning. It's the morning after the night before, and yeah, it was good fun. Ended up meeting up with a friend of mine from Galway, and we went to G Bar, which is the local gay bar in Galway, and that doesn't taste like tea at all. So yeah, it was nice. It was a small bar, but at the same time, it was good fun. Good music anyway. Before that, myself and himself went with some of my classmates from YCL to Carbon. Yeah, and it was a good night actually. The music there was good as well. It's all trancey, dancey, techno house music. You can tell I'm good at genres and things like that. I just listen to music, and if I like it, then great. If I don't, meh. I don't listen to it. That's the simple way of doing it. Yeah, so it was a good night. A couple of pre-drinks in the hotel before we went out, because being students, we're not terribly well endowed with, money. Which kind of comes in handy, but at the same time, it's not that important, I suppose. It's all relative, I suppose. So yeah, no, it was a really good night. So it's now it's 10:30 now. I only woke up about 3/4 of an hour ago. Can't imagine my friends were up yet, but I'll give them a text in a little while and just say, look, what's going on? Another guy I met over here is going hiking, and he's asked me did I want to go hiking with him, and I'm kind of going, yeah, I might do. Could be fun. So I don't know what I'm doing, but as always, I shall take you along. Duit. Well, it's kind of sad. I just waved off all my friends that stayed last night, but they're going home. They're not staying the extra night. One or two of them might be, but that's maybe if they don't have the money to get home. So if they need to wait, they'll wait in my room and it'll just be fine. Going to meet my friend Jonathan for brunch / hangover cure. So that's shortly. Here I am. I'm walking past my room. Yeah. Actually, I sent them text to see were they all okay, and I was like, as soon as I sent it, I was like, wait a minute. I remember going to their room last night. Because I dropped off takeaway to one of my friends, and yeah, I remember seeing them. Apparently more people ended up in the room afterwards. Right, where are we? 6,421. Okay, that's alright. That might work. I have to convert all of my sister's photos from NEF to JPEG, because she shoots in NEF, because apparently it's better quality and you can do more with it. It's like, yeah, okay, that's fine. It's no good for me when I have to email them to my tutor. So, conversion away. So, no, that's all good. Hang on, I'm going to put this on the tripod. There, that's better. If a little crooked. Just catching up with my friends on Facebook, or whatchamacallit. So, getting ready, go out, have brunch and chill out for the rest of the day. I think some of my friends are staying an extra night as well, so might go out, might not. Don't know. Haven't made up my mind yet. Anyway, gotta finish transferring these feckin' photographs. Be done soon enough anyway. It's long before all reach. Dig with reach. Conas Patrick. This is Ayr Square. Lovely Ayr Square in the middle of Galway. I'll show you the monument in a minute. Over there. Oh, there we go. There you go. Not entirely sure what it's actually meant to be. It looks like a load of sails on a boat to me, but I'm sure it's climbable actually. Yeah, definitely climbable and definitely frowned upon. So I'm gonna go that way. Don't know exactly where I am, but at the same time, if I get lost, I'm gonna end up back here somehow, because Galway is a small town with big landmarks like the river and Ayr Square and so on. So if you do get lost, you invariably end up back where you started. So yeah, let's go for a wander. On Porsche Cave. That one's easier to pronounce. It's cool. It's a nice little area. I came down to the docks, as you can see, and it's really peaceful. It's nice to get out of the city actually. Even though Galway is not that big, it is nice to get out of the city. I think I'm going to go to the museum. There's a museum over here. I might have a mosey around and have a look. When I finished panning around that time, I did what I always end up doing when I'm zooming and panning. I turned around to my face and it was zoomed into my eye again. So I'm going to cut that little bit out, because you've had enough of watching my eyes. Even that was probably too close. The museum's closed. Oh well. Mosey on, so. Yeah, so that little bit that I was telling you about where I zoomed into my face was basically just talking about there's a hostel right on Ayr Square that I stayed in for the Irish Juggling Convention a couple of years back. Nice place to go, really nice, really comfortable, really friendly. So, I can't remember the name of it. I will go past Ayr Square again and get the name of it. Also, had a lovely breakfast with Jonathan, Germahagut. Full Irish, lots of food, tea, juice, toast, the whole shebang. It's quite nice, quite tasty. Suitably recovered now from the night's exertions. But yeah. So as far as I remember, as far as I know, everyone is still back at the hotel. So I'm going to kind of wander back that way and maybe take a few deviations here and there. Might as well just take my time. Nothing else to be doing, thankfully. Cup on tea shop. But I had to stop and show you this. Gentlemen of Galway, fight the frills and eat it anyway. There's nothing girly about our food. Because even men can enjoy good food.